Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you the great website where you can make money online. If you are a graphic designer and if you want to make money online, I think this website and this video will be very helpful for you. So let me show you today the vast website ever and this all the make money related video. Okay. So today this video is very helpful for you if you are a graphics designer or if you want to do any freelancer and if you do any data entry. So I think all things, all the services are will be included here. So let me show you about these all websites. Okay. So uh, the top 11 best websites for graphic designer to make money. Okay. One name is Fiverr. Fiverr is one kind of great website ever where you can earn and where have a lot of services like buyer, seller, and drop services ever. If you need any graphic designer, then you can hire here also. If you are a graphic designer, then you can also get a lot of tasks like remote job, full time job, part time job. Everything will be there. Here a minimum withdraw maybe $50 to $100. You can withdraw it, pay in your account or PayPal. Okay. So this website is a number one ranking website ever, which services are very fast growing and worldwide very famous website ever. And the second one name is Upwork in Upwork.com. I think it's very famous website ever. You already know about this software or website. Millions of users and jobs finder or job listed company are here. So there is no worry so to join here. A lot of things are here included here. It's one kind of number one marketplaces for the freelancer. If you know the graphic design, all the design like logo design, anything, banner design, art design. So why are you going? Why are you doing late? Just start from work from here today and join here. Okay, you can earn money. It's one kind of passive income generator. The third one is 99design.com. 99design.com offered you so publish you publish you design at here. Here if any sales, then I think you will get a lot of bonuses or commission. So this this website will be very helpful for you if you want to do passive income because here just upload your all creative just log in every day or month or weekly. I think you will get a lot of stuff. It will be the creative. So creative. So the next one is creative market. It also closes like that all the online marketplace for digital products, any creators or any making money online, everything. Its name is creative market. Just search at the YouTube or just go to the creative market. Here a lot of service and every page is available here. The next one name is Dribble. Dribble for special for the graphic designer and the web designer. If you are expert in web design and graphic design, so I think you don't know this website. It's very false because all the graphic designer and web designer they know this software mostly like 90%. If you don't know, then join from today. Don't be late. Okay. We want the number one market for or number one market place for the freelancer and graphic designer. Here a lot of design, a lot of sales. Okay, Vivo, same Vivo. The next one is skill here. It's also one kind of revenue sharing or premium membership here. Here feature skills, a lot of things, finance marketplace, everything here. Just join here. Next one is Behance. I think everyone knows about this website Behance. Very, very trusting and loyalty and very legit website. Before you can earn money from the Behance. The next one is TopTal. Number one marketplace for remote job. If you want to do any remote work, then go to here. You can do things. The next one is People Power. People also like the fiber about.com. Here you will just post your CV or if which service just share your ideas here and a lot of companies buy and hire you okay automatically. The last one name is freelancer.com. Freelancer.com since 2019 is very largest website ever where a lot of companies, a lot of employers, buyers are here and acting here everything. Okay, so It's one kind of bonus. Its name is Design Cloud. Cloud.com is a far put in 2008 based in Australia. Okay, Design Cloud has another platform for all rest of graphic design, including online logo design, service, website design, contest. So this video is very helpful for you for the graphics designer because I shared a lot of website about graphic designer who want to make money online or passive income. So join from today and post you have so I think don't be giving come so I think this video is very helpful for you just see my video two or three times and making almost website and join from today and it will be helpful for you. So for today, thank you very much for enjoying my video.